Right guys, I've just made it to Silverstone for the Classic Sports Car Club event. This is their big one for this season. It's the proper Grand Prix circuit. There's lots of different events on today, different styles of cars. So let's go check it out. I'm going to start with a paddock walk and then we're going to follow the event. We're going to go up to the Brooklyn suite I have access to and we're going to watch some racing. Looks like there's a lot of different events on today. We've got plenty of sort of hot hatch owner cars. I'm here for the classic cars personally. I'd like to see what's come today. But we're sort of moving on to the second area now. Sort of car park, but because there's so many events on, they've had to make it into another paddock area. So let's go take a look. done the paddock now. Well, the paddock and the car park. And I was shocked to see some proper car, Ferraris, Lamborghinis. So let's go see if we can get set up to watch them race. All this so far has only cost me £10. And that's only possible because of the amazing hosts of Car Natter. They offer private parking and suite access for just £10 per person. Whereas regular viewing via Silverstone's website is almost double. They offer a family-focused environment for enthusiasts and newcomers alike and have always been nothing but helpful to me. If you've enjoyed the video so far and would like to come to a club event like this yourself, Car Natter are your only option. Anyway, back to the video. After seeing the smallest cogs MG, I didn't realise Richard Hammond was actually going to be the driver, so I went down to the paddock, saw they were filming and quickly grabbed a picture. And with that, that's the video finished. I appreciate you watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.